The next portion to be discussed is calculation of mass. Now we have been studying the formula that mass is equal to volume into density. But volume requires three different parameters, that is length, breadth and height. But when I'm talking about the two-dimensional plane or a plane lamina or a thin plate, this particular volume will be converted to area. So my calculation for the mass will be area into density. Just now I saw what is the formula for the calculation of area: double integral dx dy. So if I consider this particular density as rho, the symbol rho, it will be rho into the area, and that is what the formula is generated, because here we are all talking about the plane region. Plane region means two-dimensional rectangular coordinate axis. So there is no presence of the third parameter, and therefore we stick to the variables x as well as y. So for a thin plate of area A, if the density at a point p x comma y is rho, which is a function of xy, mass of an element will be rho dx dy. So total mass is given by m is equal to double integral over a rho dx dy. In case of polar coordinate, dx dy is converted to r dr d theta. So polar coordinates mein rho will be function of r theta at a point r comma theta, then mass will be double integral over a rho r dr d theta. If sometimes the density is not given, we consider it as constant k, right? So this is how the formula for the calculation of mass. Actually mass is volume into density, but accordingly for the plane region or a thin plate or a plane lamina, वॉल्यूम के लिए जो थर्ड फैक्टर होता है, पैरामीटर होता है, वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसीलिए वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द एरिया. सो अकॉर्डिंगली we get the formula for calculation of mass as double integral over a rho dx dy. In case of polar coordinate, it is rho r dr d theta. So this is the important formula for a plane lamina of area A. If the density is rho, total mass is double integral over a rho dx dy, double integral over a rho r dr d theta. Here it should be r dr d theta. The formula is r dr d theta. The example related to this is, find the mass of an ellipse plate x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 if the density at any point xy on it is rho is equal to mu xy, right? So density is given and you have to find out the mass of this ellipse plate. Ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If you draw the region, you have the coordinates here a comma 0 and 0 comma b, right? फॉर्मूला मेरा एरिया के जैसा ही है, बस रो जो है वो एक फैक्टर मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो रीजन विल बी ड्रॉन, स्ट्रिप विल बी डिसाइडेड, मास जो है ये पूरे प्लेट का निकालना है. आई एम कंसिडरिंग ओनली द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ दिस, so that will be multiplied by 4 because required mass m will be 4 times the mass in the first quadrant, क्योंकि mass is nothing but the weight measurement for the whole plate, but I am considering the strip only in the first quadrant, so that will be multiplied by 4. वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप लेने से y के लिमिट्स वेरिएबल में रहेंगे, x के लिमिट कांस्टेंट रहेंगे. 4 multiplied by limits of x is moving from 0 to a, y के लिमिट से 0 to ellipse, ellipse को कन्वर्ट कर दो in case of variable, so it becomes y is equal to b by a under root of a square minus x square. Rho is mu xy and integration with respect to x as well as integration with respect to y. So mass m is nothing but 4 times integral limits for x, limits for y, mu xy dx dy. पहले इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y होगा which is y square by 2. Simplify, get the answer, later on integrate with respect to x and then simplify. Your final answer will be obtained appropriately in the form of mass, which is constant value, that is mu a square b square by 2. That is what the answer is, and accordingly we can simplify, right? So only the factor to be multiplied in case of density, in case of mass, is density. If density is not given, take it as k. If it is mentioned, it will be function of xy or function of r theta, depending on the type of problem, whether it is Cartesian coordinate system or it is polar coordinate system. So accordingly we will be having down the simplification and getting the answer for that. Find the mass of a plate in the form of first quadrant of an ellipse whose density per unit area is rho k xy. Again the same formula, mass is to be calculated for the ellipse, but I am taking it in the first quadrant. इन्होंने भी first quadrant ही बोला है, so we will not multiply it by 4. We will be just concentrating on this quarter portion and getting down the answer. Limits will be same, बट रो कैसे दिया है, के एक्स वाई, वहां पर म्यू एक्स वाई था, so the integration will be done appropriately and you get the answer. Here it is coming out as k a square b square by 8, as it was multiplied by 4, here that got reduced, therefore it was 2, so mu a square b square by 2. Again in the same form, the next portion, ये हो गया है ना, yes. Find the mass of the area bounded by the curves parabola if the density at any point is rho is equal to lambda into x square plus y square. Now x square is equal to y is equal to x square means you can read it as x square equal to y. So it is the parabola x square equal to y square is equal to x is this parabola. The region can be easily generated. Get the limits by point of intersection. Draw the strip. यहाँ पर I have preferred drawing the horizontal strip. Simplification करिएगा. Required mass will be double integral over a rho dx dy. Get the limits of x, get the limits of y. Rho, that is density, is lambda into x square plus y square dx dy. Integrate with respect to x, then integrate with respect to y. Simplify and get the answer. This will give you the final answer. So that is how the simplification can be done. But now we can switch over to the problems wherein we can come across with the polar coordinates. Find the mass of a lamina in the form of a cardioid r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, whose density at any point varies as square of its distance from the initial line. See, this is a bit twisting one. Here cardioid is given, but density is not provided. In the earlier problems of Cartesian coordinate system, if you have seen, the density is mentioned clearly. Rho is equal to mu xy. Rho is equal to lambda into x square plus y square. But here they have not given you the density, but certain condition is provided. Now from that, first I have to determine the density, and then only we will be calculating it and getting down the answer. Now for the cardioid, density varies as square of its distance from the initial line. Cardioid निकल गया, square of its distance from the initial line. Initial line से suppose this is the cardioid, this is the distance from the initial line. All of you know that distance is always the perpendicular value, and if I take it from this particular origin, and if this is theta, opposite upon hypotenuse is nothing but your cos, and adjacent upon hypotenuse is nothing but your sine. So this is particularly the distance from the pole, and we have to take the square of its distance, right? So the required mass is twice the mass above the initial line. चलो ठीक है, this is symmetrical about x axis. मैं ये नीचे वाला portion थोड़ा सा मिटा देने की कोशिश करूंगा. I will draw only the portion which lies in the upper half plane, so multiplied by 2. But distance is nothing but r sine theta. This is the radial distance, और adjacent upon hypotenuse यानी क्या हो जाएगा, sin theta, whatever is the distance, suppose you are considering as d, angle क्या होगा, adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is sin theta upon r. So that is what is the distance, and that distance I am considering it as sin theta multiplied by r. So that distance is nothing but r into sin theta, बराबर है. It is opposite, sorry, from the initial line यानी this distance लेना है. So accordingly we take the square. So initial line, the distance is r sin theta, the density is given by mu is equal to square of it. So mu, a certain constant of proportionality, because this distance will directly vary with the square. Now by constant of proportionality d is equal to लिखा जाएगा. So that is what the distance to be taken into consideration. ठीक है. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So accordingly we will be having this as cos upon, sorry, sin upon r, this will be cos upon r. So accordingly theta का calculation किया जाएगा and square of its distance from the initial line बोला है. So appropriately we take the simplification. So what this density comes out to be, density is directly proportional to this. Directly proportional is equal to certain constant. That constant is taken as mu. Mu into square of its distance, that is r square sin square theta. Since the region is considered above the initial line, theta varies from 0 to pi. And once that is generated, you can easily find out the answer and get the simplification. In case of polar coordinate, the calculation of mass is 2 times 0 to pi, 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta rho r dr d theta. But rho कैसे निकाला है? Rho is directly proportional to square of its distance, r sin theta whole square, right? But rho is equal to certain constant into r square sin square theta, right? So accordingly we will be getting down the answer and simplifying it, putting down the integration values of r, integrating it with respect to theta. Thoda lengthy hai, but that will give you the mass. In this case also we will be having the values to be calculated inside the circle, outside the circle. Go through this particular problem wherein you have to calculate the mass of the plate which is inside the circle, r is equal to 2a cos theta, and outside the circle. Here getting down the values for theta will be very important. See the point of intersection of the two curves and then determine the value theta. Density varies as distance from the pole. Distance from the pole is r, so density is directly proportional to r, so density is equal to k into r. That is how the simplification can be done. So accordingly we have to get the simplification and पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन टू डिटरमाइन थीटा. यहां पर कैसा होता है, कार्डियोइड में अपने को पता है थीटा अबव इनिशियल लाइन लेंगे तो 0 टू पाई तक जाएगा. बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन द सर्कल इज इन बिटवीन. ठीक है, वो ना पाई बाय 2 को टच कर रहा है ना पाई को टच कर रहा है. तो यहां पर थीटा कहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है दो कर्व्स में, वो दोनों के पॉइंट के इंटरसेक्शन पर से निकालना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज हाउ यू ट्राई टू सिंप्लीफाई 2a cos theta and a cos theta. So accordingly we will be getting down half. Cos theta का वैल्यू हाफ कब होता है, 60 degree या 30 degree. So accordingly you simplify and get the answer. That will be giving you theta from initial line to theta is equal to pi by 3, and we can easily have the angle. R कहां से कहां तक होगा, lower end of it lies on the circle, r is equal to a. Upper end lies on the circle, r is equal to 2a cos theta. So when you will complete this or write this problem, you will be easily getting down how the simplification is done. थोड़ा सा integration complicated है because you need to apply the formula, but you can easily find out the mass of the plate and get the simplification. I hope this much part is clear to everybody. In